Meaning of fag.
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 Fag. The word fag is a slang term with multiple meanings, but many of them are derogatory and offensive. Historically, fag has been used to refer to a cigarette, but it is most commonly known as a derogatory term for a homosexual person, particularly a man. In some contexts, fag has also been used as an insult or slur that connotes weakness or inferiority. Given its negative connotations, it is important to avoid using this word in any context, as it can be deeply hurtful to those who identify with the groups it targets.